How to share a TikTok video to Instagram story. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. After you open TikTok, simply select the video you want to add to your story. Then, at the right side, click on three dots. After you click on three dots in here, click on Save Video at the bottom. You can save your own video or others' video as well. After you've done that, go back and open Instagram. In Instagram, click on your story at the top left. After that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Select the video you just saved earlier from TikTok. Then press on your story at the bottom left corner of your screen and share it to your story. This is how to share TikTok video to Instagram story. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.